Hey, how's it going? This is Deonte Burden, host of Change Your Life. I want to welcome you back to our Business 101 series where we get information to aspiring entrepreneurs or also people that are currently in business that may have questions about different financial ratios or business tips while they're in the process of getting their business started or while they are going through their different businesses. Today, we'll be talking about something that's super important, the lifeblood of all businesses, that being net income. Net income is pretty much the actual end result of you having, of your business. That being how much profit you're making with your business. It has a simple equation where you talk about revenue or sales minus the expenses equal net income or profit. When we look at net income or profit, it can cover a particular point in time or a period. It doesn't matter. You're just looking at the money that you're pulling in minus the money you're pulling out and what's left over. Again, that can be for a certain point in time or it can be over a period. That's one of the biggest differences when we look at the balance sheet. Remember, the balance sheet only talked about one at a certain point in time, whereas the actual net income can be for that particular day, month, quarter, half a year, or the whole year, or years. Okay, just to give you guys an example, we're talking about net income. We're looking at revenue or the sales. You sold so many items that you have, maybe food, maybe services, whatever, minus the expenses. Expenses can be payroll, rent, utilities, insurance, different things that you have that you putting out in relation to operating that business, and it equals out to pretty much your net income. And that's the profit or the loss you can have with your business. Again, this is super important because again, if you can be busy selling items, and a lot of times this number here can be 5,000, but if that was 5,000 or greater, you could be breaking right even, or you could be functioning at a loss. So it's very important that we look at these financial ratios so we know where we're at or what we're doing with our business at particular points in time. This is super important. But listen, if you guys want to get more information, get more in-depth explanation regarding net income and other business tips or other financial ratios, make sure you go to my company, Majestic Business Services, and book an appointment for consultation. Again, you can reach us on the web at www.majesticbiz.com. Again, that's www.majesticbiz.com. When you book an appointment, we can do our appointments in person, we can do them over the phone, or we can do them virtually, whatever you guys are comfortable with. Also, make sure you tune into our show, Changing Lives, hosted by yours truly, Deonte Burden. We have a lot of good information on there regarding about finance, entrepreneurship, also dealing with life, parenting, family, all kind of good stuff. Make sure you go subscribe to the channel, look at the videos, make sure you hit the bell to get all the good notification, leave comments. And again, thanks for all the support. I hope we gave some good information today where we're talking about net income, and I look forward to hearing from you guys. Take care.